In the first place, I missed you. We haven't talked in so long. Yesterday I thought about our last trip. Remember Denmark?
Me too. Life has been so busy lately, and of course I remember. How could I forget? That was 3 years ago.
Since that trip, I feel like we've both changed a lot.
True. However, I still feel that connection with you.
Same here, even though we don't see each other often.
Well, from now on, let's meet at least once a month.
But don't be late the next time we meet.
Okay, I'll be on time, I promise.